I see a bunch of people do it at Walmart.
I like this one. It's changing colors. That is so sick.
Oh yeah. If you're gonna get a motorcycle, this is how you gotta do it.
Now you gotta do it, dang on there. Hang on, bigger. Look at the picture of it.
Dude. We're gonna get hit by the nice car.
You know what? We should go home and get my camera. This thing's still gonna be going for quite a while.
If you want, I got a camera right here, man.
Well, yeah, but I mean, that's only got so many minutes left. 25 minutes. I want to take pictures and put them on my Facebook. Oh, I think everyone's moving over there.
And this is where I get all my cars at. I don't have to move.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that truck over there, that's what yours is going to be like. Probably the same color. The one that I was looking at?
Yeah, but the windows are, the mirrors and stuff is different.
Sure. Yeah, baby.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
Sticker. Alert. Sticker alert.
That's a sticker?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Let's go look at it. Let's see. I'll scratch it and tell you.
Alright.
This is my motorcycle? Yeah.
This is our motorcycle, man. We bought it together.
That one's Chris's.
Yeah, that one's mine. That one's yours.
I should go to that guy and be like, is this a sticker?
I did. Yeah, I have to. Why not?
I can just look at it and tell you.
Walking through the light.
Wow. Beautiful flames. Wow.
And actually, if you look at the 67 that down there, that's from Jersey Chevrolet in Liverpool. Yep.
Where's the lights? I can't see anything. I need some lights.
Needs a sticker with haircut.
Me too. Has those linings around it.
Dude, when I bent in to look at the motor, I rubbed on it. I could tell. Oh damn!
I know.
Dude, that lady's like.
I wish I could get these people on film, but
I wish I could get a car like this.
it's kind of weird when you point a camera at somebody.
Oh, dude, this thing's got a chopped roof on it.
This is what's going to be under my truck.
Under it? Oh, I thought the whole car is gonna be under your truck.
Yeah. We're on the moon. Nope. BMW.
It's like a stock Beamer.
It looks like
Nothing
it.
special with it.
The engine, maybe.
It could have some upgraded parts, but I
Yeah,
can't
Chevy.
tell.
Chevy engine. This is a BMW.
Oh, dude, you know what? It's probably got a ZR1 motor in it.
And I know
Or
that
it could,
is.
or it could just be a big block Chevy.
Or somebody parked up here and opened up the hood.
I should do that. I should like go back in and lift my hood up. See, that's why I could get. Oh, dude.
Alright, now this is a beast car.
What, that?
Yeah.
I didn't know you liked Chevy, man. I thought you were all into Ford.
I'm all into cars that go forward and
You know,
back.
they get to play their music. I should get to play my music.
You did.
Just open up my
Yeah.
You want to?
Do you want? I thought you were going to get a camera, but no.
You got me singing the blues.
Yeah. That looked horrible.
What a fabulous night we have out here at Hooters. We got the bike show, we got the car show. I'll tell you, there's a lot of machinery out here to look at, folks. Gorgeous stuff. This is the first time we're doing this. The general manager here at Hooters.
Okay, this is not the first time they were doing a car show.
Yeah, I know. They do a car show every weekend.
Seriously.
Honestly, that is So,
Dude, what can I do
you
with
gotta
my
tell me
truck?
what you think.
I
Give it a opinion, because
You get a job. That's how you get your truck.
the gentleman who runs the bike show.
Bike show. I want to do a bike show.
I'm gonna turn on some.
Oh, look at this piece. Chevy S10, 1995. With that, with the broken back wheel in the back, they didn't go to Petland for. Oh, you hear that engine? Woo!
Just lost my truck.
Rev it, boy, rev it. Oh, you hear that? Listen to that kitty purr. Oh shit, there goes Rod. Dude, come on, don't be a dick.